Jobman's reporting offers real-time data on process efficiency and the effectiveness of your organization's daily operations. Navigate to reports from the user menu panel. The flexibility and choice in Jobman's stable of reporting options provides capability to view information at a high level to more robust and granular reporting. Select a report from the list and click on Filters. We are using the lead report for this example to create a monthly sales report by salesperson. For this report, selecting the filters is a simple process. Choose the time period and then find and select the salesperson. The information for the filters will vary, but each of Jobman's reports have multiple filter options and all share the same functionality and flexibility. Save your new custom report by clicking on the three dots. Further customize your reports with column details. From the drop-down menu, select Columns. Here you can select the information you want to see and deselect the information you don't. In addition to the filters, column details can also be saved as custom reports, giving you the ability to extract and view the information you need within seconds. Reports also include the ability to export and save as a CSV file. Or print your report and save it as a PDF. All saved custom reports can be accessed via the Custom tab from the Reports menu. From the job cost report, clicking on the job number will take you to a list of all operations and tasks for that job. From there, clicking on the actual time for an operation will open the effort report. No more toggling between multiple reports with this added built-in functionality. Some more examples of the drill-down functionality includes clicking on the PO number in the purchasing report to open the purchase order. You can even select an item from the stock report and Jobman will open the item details in the catalog. Reporting is a top consideration in business, and Jobman delivers mobile-friendly real-time data. With an ever-expanding and continuously improving catalog, there will be an option for what you want to achieve. Remember, help is always just a click away on the user menu panel. Simply type your question to search for what you need. Here is where you will find all the answers and documentation to guide you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest content.